What are you doing to live your best life? If you're not sure,
you're not alone. It's natural to question your path in life.
And if you're living up to your true potential, what if you could look younger,
feel younger,
and live younger?
Well, now you can.
Featured in magazines and TV talk shows around the world,
the media is proclaiming it the latest breakthrough in anti-aging. What is it? It's called the Youth Enhancement System, or Y.E.S.
It's comprised of the latest in skincare and nutritional products, using only the purest ingredients.
Y.E.S tackles aging in a way never before accomplished. With state-of-the-art technology and clinically proven results, it's revolutionizing the industry on a global level.
A powerful group of products. Some work from the inside out,
while others work from the outside in. It's our complete defense against aging. Y.E.S
is truly redefining youth. Let's start with luminesce.
This anti-aging skincare line restores youthful vitality and radiance to your skin, reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and reveals your youthful glow. This hydrating line includes APT 200,
our exclusive advanced polypeptide technology responsible for sparking a youth message to your skin.
What if you wanted results right now? Instantly Ageless is so powerful that over 50 million applications have been sold.
It's been demonstrated live in front of thousands of people. All have walked away believers.
The Y.E.S bestseller is Reserve, an antioxidant blend of 5 superfruits plus heart-healthy resveratrol. Because of its portable convenience, you can enjoy great tasting Reserve anytime,
anywhere. Just a single packet a day gives you the fuel to make you happy. You know what makes me happy? Looking and feeling my best.
As I've gotten older, I've learned this requires more maintenance. Statistics now report
the alarming climb of obesity is spreading around the world. Fortunately, the Zen Body product line works synergistically to eliminate toxins, feed your body, and help you achieve your weight management goals. Need a program that teaches habits for a healthy lifestyle? While most systems focus on pounds only, Zen Project 8 targets fat loss in inches in 3 easy-to-follow phases. In just 8 weeks, you can achieve simple, realistic results. I call that a win.
Speaking of winning, our energy drink Nevo was awarded Best New Consumer Product at the 2016 American Business Awards. We like to say we didn't create the energy drink, we just perfected it. With ingredients sourced from around the world, we created a fusion of flavor and function that's perfectly refreshing and positively energizing. Nevo comes in 4 fresh picked flavors, features real fruit juices, and contains just 50 calories per can.
Isn't it time you got serious about your vitamins? Formulated with vitamins, minerals, digestive enzymes, amino acids, and plant compounds, AM and PM Essentials can help you fill your nutritional gap. We're serious about your nutrition.
And you should be too. With AM Essentials, you can become a morning person. Its innovative daytime formula plus 70 vitamins, minerals, and botanicals equals best day ever.
Sweet dreams are made of PM Essentials. Its restorative nighttime formula plus 77 vitamins, minerals, and botanicals equals a lot more seeds.
Today's environment, toxins, bad nutrition, stressful lifestyle, they speed up the effects of aging. You see, it's in our company's DNA to create products to help you look younger,
feel younger, and live younger. That's why we created Finity, our most advanced supplement to date. Finity is a proprietary blend that provides support for your body's health. Life is all about making moments count. Make yours count with Finity.
All of our products are unforgettable, and our latest is no exception. Enter Mind. Featuring SaraQ, Mind is a doctor-formulated, clinically proven dietary supplement that helps maintain memory and recollection. With Mind, you're 1 ounce away from genius. Together, all of these great products make up the Y.E.S Youth Enhancement System, and it's exclusive to only one company.